Welcome to Code Hub. In 60 seconds, let's break down the basics of quantum computing. Introduction. Quantum computing is a cutting-edge technology that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways traditional computers can't. What makes it different? Unlike classical computers that use bits, 0s and 1s, quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits. Qubits can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously, thanks to superposition. Key concepts. Another key concept is entanglement, where qubits become linked and the state of one can instantly influence another, no matter the distance. Why it matters. Quantum computing could revolutionize fields like cryptography, drug discovery, and artificial intelligence by solving complex problems faster than ever before. Current status. We're still in the early stages, but companies like Google and IBM are making big strides in developing quantum computers. Conclusion. Quantum computing could change the future of tech as we know it. Curious to learn more? Subscribe to Code Hub. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring